Cell reference. Sometimes we need to calculate or refer to different sheets of a spreadsheet or different spreadsheet for any calculation. Then, instead of copying data of those sheets, LibreOffice Calc provides a feature to refer to those sheets. While doing calculations or summarizing data in spreadsheet, it may be required to fetch data from other sheets or even from different spreadsheets. This can be done by creating cell reference. In Calc, there are options to link different sheets, and one can fetch data from different sheets or spreadsheets based on a common field. A cell reference refers to a cell or a range of cells in a sheet that can be used to find the values or data. The main benefit of using a cell reference is when the data is present in referenced cells in another spreadsheet changes, a value returned by the cell reference is automatically updated. Cell reference refers to data from one or more contiguous cells on the sheet, data contained in different areas of a sheet, data on other sheets in the same spreadsheet. Creating cell reference to other sheets. To create a reference for a cell or range of cells to another sheet in the same spreadsheet, write the name of sheet followed by a dot mark before the cell address. In other words, for creating cell reference to another sheet, following format can be used. Reference to an individual cell. Syntax: $sheet _name .cell _address. Example: to refer to cell A1 in sheet 2, type $sheet2.A1. Reference to a range of cells. Syntax: $sheet _name .first _cell :last _cell. Example: to refer to cells A1 A10 in sheet 2, type $sheet2.A1 A10. For example, the sheet function named average calculates the average value for the range B1 B10 created on the sheet named marketing in the same spreadsheet, is equal to average $marketing.B1 B10. Here, 1. Sheet name is marketing. 2. Range of cells between B1 to B10 inclusive of ends. 3. Dot separates the sheet reference from the cell range reference. Ways to create cell referencing to other sheets. There are two ways to create cell reference to other sheets: by entering the formula directly using the keyboard, by using the mouse. Details about sales of stationery items for the months of January, February, and March are maintained in different sheets. Sales in January month. Sales in February month. Sales in March month. A new sheet is inserted and renamed as quarter sales to store the total sales of each item. Cell referencing using keyboard. Total sales of individual items must be automatically calculated and stored in quarter sales sheet through cell referencing using keyboard. To calculate total sales of pen, that is, to make the cell reference in cell B2. Step 1. Type the given formula in the cell B2 is equal to sum January.B2 semicolon February.B2 semicolon March.B2. Step 2. Use autofill to calculate the quarter sales of rest of items. Cell referencing using mouse. Now, let us learn how to create cell referencing using mouse. Step 1. Type equal to sign in the formula bar. Step 2. Type the desired mathematical function. Here, sum function is used, so we type is equal to sum. Step 3. Select cell B3 from January sheet tab. Step 4. Type comma after January.B3 in order to take more cells for referencing from different sheets. Step 5. Select similarly for cell B3 from February sheet tab. Step 6. Repeat for March sheet. Close the round bracket and press Enter key and total sales of pencil will be displayed in the cell B3.
Referencing cell in another spreadsheet.
To refer a cell in another spreadsheet, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open a new spreadsheet, Untitled 1 and select the cell A1. Step 2. Open an existing spreadsheet. Here, we have opened a spreadsheet file cellreferencing.ods. Step 3. Go back to Untitled 1 spreadsheet and type equal to in cell A1. Step 4. Select the cell A2 from January sheet of cell referencing spreadsheet. Step 5. A reference of the cell has been created in Untitled 1. The reference to the cell of another spreadsheet contains full path of referred file cellreferencing.ods in single inverted quotes followed by hash. Name of the sheet referred January followed by a dot. Name of the cell A2. Step 6. Press Enter.